What we have here is a toilet tissue. A toilet tissue. Yeah?
Bibidyo yan?
Oo, video.
So what we're going to do is you have to wrap your child with a toilet roll. Yeah? And whoever wraps first, the whole body wins. Yeah? All right. You can start from the head, you can start on the feet. You have to wrap his body, the little one. All right? All of you have, hold on. Hold on.
Video, sir.
Wait! Run away!
Hold on. Everyone is ready now? Everyone is ready? On your mark, get set, go! Rap. Come on. Hurry. Come on. Hurry. Rap. Make a mummy. Hurry. Come on.
Siling ko niya.
Come on.
Naiyak na tiningkod na. Naiyak na.
And we have a winner! Yay! Clap your hands to the winner! Clap! Yay! Okay, do you have a bucket? You have your bucket for your prize. We're going to give some candy. So what's your name? Postin. Congratulations, Postin. All right, we'll have a second game.
Video to. Paano patayin to? Ganito na lang ako.
Alright, we have another game. What we're going to do is
ka na. Tapos na to.
I have 3 treasure chests. Just imagine this is a treasure chest. Now I'm going to scatter the 3 treasure chests into 3 different locations. One here. There's another treasure chest in here.
No.
Another treasure chest in here. Right? So 3 treasure chests. One over there, one over there, and one over here.
Wait. Where's another one? This one, and one, that one. Oh, that side. What are you doing? Here, we're starting. Go that side first. Look. What's this? Come here, wider. Come. We have to
All right. What I have here are gold. Gold. What? So I want everyone to gather around into 3 groups. I want to split everyone into 3 groups. One on that side, one on that side, and one on that side. Who wants to be on this side? Who wants to be on this side? Come on, come on. Gather here. Okay? As many as you want. Okay? And one over here, if you have... Here, here. Anyone in here? All right, so this is one group. That's another group over there. And another group in here. Yeah? As many as you want in one group, it doesn't matter. If you have 20 or 10 or 5, doesn't matter. So remember your group, yeah? So you remember your group, yeah? You remember your group. So you are a team. You're a teammate, okay? And over here, remember your group, yeah? You are all teammates. You are all teammates. Yeah, you work together. Okay? You work together. And remember your group? Okay, you are all teammates. Yeah, you will work together. All right. So what will happen with the gold coins, children? What will happen to the gold coins? We are going to toss it around. Yeah? And when I count to 3, you need to pick up all the coins and put it in your treasure chest. Remember? Yeah? You got it? I understand, yeah? So I'm going to scatter all of the gold coins, and in a count of 3, you need to pick up as many gold coins and put it in your treasure chest. All right?